Is your laptop battery draining too fast? Many users face this issue. Understanding your battery's health is crucial. This tutorial will guide you through checking your laptop battery health. By the end, you'll know how to assess your battery status. First, click on the battery icon on your taskbar. Open Battery Settings, or Power and Amp, Sleep Settings. Look for Battery Usage by App section. This shows how much each app uses the battery. Next, use the command prompt. Search for Command Prompt in the Start menu. Type Power CFG Battery Report and hit Enter. This creates a detailed battery report. The report is saved in your user folder. Open it and check Design Capacity versus Full Charge Capacity. At the bottom of the report, you will see the current estimate of battery life at full charge versus at design capacity. In summary, checking your laptop battery health is easy. You learn to check battery settings and run a battery report. Understanding your battery's health helps improve its lifespan. Now, apply these steps to assess your battery health today.